The first step I did is I use another gele for the inside like a bit so that the turban will be high. I just did a pleat. I did not settle down to do it. I just have to wrap the hair. Just wrap it around. Just did a pleat. I just arrange them. You just keep arranging. It might not be perfect though. Just arrange it very well. Let it just be balanced a little. And you tie it at the back. I'm not really concerned about this one because this is not the main gele. I'm just doing it because I just want my turban to be high. Just tie it well, arrange them. Then I'll use my pin to secure it there. Just going to secure it with my office pin. See arrange like it will be fine. Still going to use my office pin for that part too because I don't want this one to show. Just secure it very well so it won't pull out. Just secure the piece. And I'll be making use of this net. This is 5 yards. Making use of 5 yards of this net for my turban. That is it. I'm going to share it into two equal parts. I'll share it into two equal parts. Then place it on her neck through the back. I'm going to place it through the back. Then I'll ask my model to hold the second half. Arranging my net, I'll just to form a V, I'll just take it to the back. I don't want the one inside to show, so I'm just pushing that one back, push it back. Then I'll just place it firmly backward this way. Then I'll collect the second one she's holding. I'll just collect the second one she's holding. Then take it backward too. Take it backward firmly. You can see it forming the V. Take it backward. And I'll move to the back to arrange it. And take it to the back. And I'm going to arrange it firmly so that my gilly will not lose. Just going to arrange it gently. Arrange it gently. And I'll still repeat the same process for the other layer. I'm just going to go just like I did the first time. I'm just going to place it down to the back. Then collect the one she's holding. Then take it, cross it with the other one to the back. And I'll arrange it. I'm going to arrange it very well so that it doesn't pull or loose. Just arranging it. Just taking my time to arrange. I'm taking my time to arrange it. Taking my time. I beat my model's face. I made her up. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever whenever we upload a new video. I'm having little left for both sides, so I'm just going to end everything at the middle using my office pin to secure them. See, I'm just having little remaining. Just going to place it that way. then use my office pin to secure it. And see, going to do it gently. You can use more than 5 shares of gele if you wish to. You can use 7, you can use 10, depending on how many you have, or how high you want it to be. You can use more than 5. So I'm just going to cross it and secure it. See the way I'm doing it? Just use an office pin to secure it. Sorry, my lightning is not that good. That's why the video looks dark. So I'm just going to secure it. I've secured the first one, so I'll just do same for the second one I'm holding. Just secure it, arrange, and just do it gently. Just secure my pins. Doing it gently. I'm doing it gently. I'm doing it gently. Then this it. Here is how to burn. I'm just going to go to the back to arrange it to cover the first base. Just going to secure it. You can see our turban is very very firm on our head. You have to make it very firm so that it doesn't lose at any point. Just making it firm. So this is it, guys. This is it. I'm still trying to adjust it. Here is our model.